Hello again everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're down here at North Haven on a beautiful sunny day, not much wind around, and we're here to look at none other than this Bertram 35 right behind me. So the Bertram 35s, they don't need any introduction. They're a fantastic boat, they're a great hull, very capable. This boat's had a lot of work done to it recently over the last couple of years. New engines have been fitted with only about 43 hours on them. The cockpit teak's in pretty good nick. All the covers on the back, the awning, all the camp covers, they're all brand new, and the interior's been completely refitted. So there's a lot going for this boat. So let's get into it, let's have a look through and get out in the water.